everyone, this is your badass rider Dhanraj here, and I am in the middle of Shiradi Ghat right now, which is one of the routes that you can choose between going to Mangalore and Bangalore. So I'm on my way from Bangalore to Mangalore, and I thought it would be a right time and a right opportunity to give a review of the Dirtsack LongRanger Pro. The saddlebag which I've been using since quite some time. I've used it on the Duke 250 and this CBR as well. I've not yet tried it on the Classic 350, but everyone knows it will fit the Classic 350. So I'll just give you a feedback on how this works on a CBR 250R without a saddle stay. I'm using a bungee cable right now, just as a stay, I mean a temporary stay, so that it just doesn't come in. But I'll give you a review of how it works, and let me show you how I've mounted it as well. And in case you want to know further details on what you get with the saddlebag, you can click on the I button. You will be having the link of the unboxing of the same saddlebag. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, there's a modest amount of gap between the exhaust and the saddlebag, so that's not a worry. I've been taking around these twisties with the bag mounted like this, and so far it hasn't touched, and I'm pretty sure it won't touch as well. And just to give you an idea of how I've mounted it, you can see the front buckle is over here, right? And from the back you have two straps that go. One I've mounted on this to make sure that this doesn't scrape the tail lamp. I've just rolled around the extra strap around the buckle, and the second rear strap is this one, which I put across. And this is the bungee cable which you can see over here, which I have hooked around the bike on both sides to this spot. You see this one, yeah. So that's pretty much how I've hooked it. And other than that, everything else is just normal. You can also check on how you can mount this on a KTM BS4 Duke 250 or a Duke 390 as well, by clicking on the I button above. And other than that, above this I have also mounted a laptop backpack. It has my laptop and some other stuff as well, and this I've mounted with the bungee hook. And so far all I can say is there has been no movement. And oh yeah, just to make a point, this Dirtsack cover which you see over here, the gear drive, this comes as a part of the Dirtsack LongRanger Pro. You can also, like I said, you can check the other video of mine where I show you what you get along with the bag. So it's already having a waterproof seaming from inside, and so since I didn't need to use this dust cover above it, I thought I might as well cover the laptop bag. So yeah, so far no complaints. As you can see, it's holding well. There's enough gap on both sides. I'm able to take the twisties beautifully. I can give you a proof of that as well. I have almost bottomed out the tire. There's a bit of gap remaining, but the sharper twisties I get to start. So I think it's going to be fun. And there's no movement or twitch, and there's no any kind of hesitation as well. So yeah, I can for safe say that this works well on a CBR 250R. You might need to put a bungee cable to be on the safer side, or get a saddle stay, which is anyways foolproof. And along with being functional, it actually looks beautiful on the bike as well. Yeah, that was my review of the Dirtsack LongRanger Pro on a CBR 250R. Be assured that it works fine. All you need possibly to be safe is a bungee cable or a saddle stay. Other than that, actually it works fine, possibly even without that. But I can tell you for sure that with the bungee cable it works perfectly well, and you can literally go ahead and buy this bag. I'll share the link in the description below. And let me just continue with my ride now and reach home. And until then, until next time, ride safe, have fun. See ya.